Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to work with chain work. So what I'm doing is, I bought this canvas from Walmart. It was like $2 and some change. And if you can find a cheaper, lower price, you can go ahead and buy it. So I thought to myself, see, I'm going to the next one, and the yarn is on the bottom, and I'm just grabbing it. And then pulling it. See? So I'm poking my crochet hook, and I'm grabbing it from the bottom. And then I get this beautiful fabric. Isn't this beautiful? So I'm planning to put these in my kitchen drawers. And you can wash them, toss them in the washer, and nothing will happen. I started this a couple of months ago, and I put it aside, and I totally forgot about to do a tutorial with you guys. How to have this done. And this is endless. Like with this technique, you can make anything you want. I'm going into every chain, but you don't have to. Or what you can do is you can do fillets, crochet fillets, 2 chain, 1 double crochet, 2 chain, or 3 chain. It depends on what you want to do. And then you can use this method. You can skip, you can draw, you can design, you can make anything you want. But here I'm just using this canvas, and I'm making chains. That's all I'm making. And the yarn that I have is from my stash. It's the Lion brand Mandana, and I had this in my stash. So I bought these yarn from Turkey, so it's where they're made in. But that's what the brand is. And the crochet hook, I'm using a small one because it has to go in between, right? And it has to grab, and this is a 3mm crochet hook. So I'm just going randomly, and I will show you how to start. It's just that you just poke, and then you grab it from underneath, and then you pull it. That's all you do. You can fold this if you want. It can be folded easily if you're not comfortable. You can do that as well. And I noticed that it's easy to do the edges, and it gets harder to do the middle, but that's okay. That's okay. That's no problem at all. So I am just, you can go like this. Just grab it and then pull it. Just like this. And I started from here. Can't even see it. I started from there. You just pull it just like this. It's really soft. You can make bags, you can make totes. Sew these together, make them in pieces, sew them together. It's endless. Yeah. So this is all you do. This is all you do. It's so easy. You can go across if you want to make a design, but I want to go back and forth. You can make. So what I'll do is I'll just start from the other end here, and then here we go. You can make different colors. You can make anything you want. So what I do is I just poke, and this is what I do. So I secured it. You can make the edge if you want, just like this, and then you can come back, but you don't have to because it already covers. You don't have to do anything edging. See? And this is how it looks like from the back. It's really neat. And the thing is, it's really easy to frog it because it's made out of chains, right? So, this is how you start. just like this. So this has to be on the bottom, the yarn that you're pulling from, and then you just poke and then pull. This is the only way, easiest way to make this. You can make rugs. If you make fillets like this, you can make rugs. It's a really stash buster technique that you can work with. You can skip one if you want. Like instead of going here, you can skip. See? Can't even notice it that you have skipped. Let's skip 1, 2, and then third. Let's do it on the third. You can do that. See? And this is how it looks like from the back. But I like to make it neat, so that's what I'm doing on each of these. Just like this. So easy. And then you can move around. Let's say you want to go across. You poke your crochet hook and then you pull it from the bottom. I just wanted to share. It's very easy and it's really simple. Then you can go this way. Oh, the yarn splits a lot. Like this. See? So this is the one. Oh, this is the one I bought from Michael's, and Michael's is a little bit cheaper. So this is from Michael's. The price is not on here. Yeah. Count Mesh, that's what it's called. Count Mesh, plastic canvas. Like, I mean, and I bought another one. This one's a little bit open. So this one here. So what I mean by bags, what you can do is you can buy 2 of this, and then this one's a little bit bigger, 2 of this, and then what you can do is you can cut to make the bottom and then the sides. That's my goal is, but I haven't decided yet. But here are the measurements just to give you an idea. I think there were 2 different kinds, and this is what I found. Michael's. And this one is this big. Yeah, you can cut these, you know, you can sew them. Oh, it's endless. Like something like this, you can fold it. Even this would be perfect for a bag. Why not? But that's what I'm planning to do if I have the time. My goal is, you know, to make a bag, grocery bag, and then so on. Yeah, this was the price same as the one that I bought Walmart. So Walmart is, Michael's is cheaper, way cheaper. And then if you use your 30% off coupon, it's way cheaper. Yeah. So just wanted to share. It's very easy and simple. And like I said, you can fold. You can grab it like this, because the middle parts are a little bit hard to work on. But other than that, the end result is just fantastic. Yeah. See? Or if you don't want to go and buy this, just crochet a fillet and do the same method. But it won't be as stiff as this one. This one, because we're working on a canvas, plastic canvas, right? So, yeah. You can hold it like this, whichever you like. Just grab it from the back and then make a chain. rabbit, whichever comfortable you feel. I'm going on each box. Try to not make it tight. Just like this. So I hope you like this info, this short tutorial. I just wanted to share how you can work with chains and then create something one of a kind. It's endless. You can make anything with this. It depends on your imagination, right? So I highly recommend. And this is what I thought, working on a canvas. Rugs, you can make rugs. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Happy crocheting. Bye-bye. You get the hang of it. It's just time consuming. I haven't been doing this for months. When I first started, I was so excited, and then probably I received a custom order and I totally forgot about it until I just thought.